Where to stay in Sapa, Vietnam na may ganitong kagandang infinity pool, spacious room with free buffet breakfast at walking distance lang sa Sapa City Center. This is Pistachio Hotel, a 4-star hotel na 5-minute walk sa Sapa Station. Ayan, may pa-welcome drinks agad pagdating namin. We booked this sa Klook and you can use my code kapag magbubook kayo para may additional discounts pa. Hindi ito yung pinakamurang hotel sa Sapa pero I highly recommend this one. Sobrang na-impress kami sa hotel na to dahil maganda ang service and facilities. Nagpaganda din lalo dito ay itong infinity pool na may ganitong scenic view. Room tour na tayo. Superior double room yung binook namin but luckily we got a free upgrade yung may mountain view. Sobrang spacious ng room with super laking bed na very comfy at may malalambot na pillows. May cabinet for your things at may pa-bathrobe pa. May minibar area with free candies, coffee, and bottled waters. May for sale din silang snacks and drinks. Spacious and elegant yung bathroom with bathtub and glass wall. May towels, then target lock itong mga toiletries na pwede nyong iuwi. May flat screen TV, work desk area, and may dalawang couch. And this is the view from our room. Kita rin ang pagdaan ng sikat na train dito, pati ang Sapa Station.
Nabook namin to 4,000 plus per night with buffet breakfast na for 2. Hindi to yung pinakamurang hotel dito sa Sapa pero highly recommended. Ang ganda.
Parang tig 2K lang kami. May included pang buffet breakfast for 2. Maraming options ang breakfast and more on Vietnamese food. The hotel also comes with a restaurant, gym, as well as an indoor pool sa first floor and ito na yung pangmalakas ang rooftop infinity pool na may ganitong breathtaking view. Ang ganda umaura-aura dyan at mag-picture-picture dahil tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang view. Ito yung favorite part ko dito sa hotel. Kailangan ma-ROI ang nagastos sa travel. Ayun lang, malamig yung pool dito kaya tiis talaga if you want that perfect shot. Mas ma-appreciate nyo rin yung view dito sa rooftop dahil kitang-kita ang Sapa Mountains and ang Sapa Town. By the way, may shortcut sa likod ng hotel papuntang Viet Trekking and itong pinost ko na Lado Coffee, yung may hot pot and coffee na may view ng train. Overall, we had a comfortable stay here and recommended itong Pistachio Hotel if pupunta kayo ng Sapa at naghahanap kung saan magandang magstay. And see you sa next gala. This is Shanice, your runaway girl. Bye!